Good morning! Wow! Congratulations!
Hey, what happened?
I am ready to put on a show! Hello, hello, hello! We're in trouble now! Oh no! Hey! I feel like I'm going to the room, but my boobs are huge!
Hey, hey, hey! My God, are you still talking?
Yahoo! Na 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 na! Oh no!
Hey!
Good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you. Amazing.
Okay, let's go!
Oh yes.
Here we go!
Going to kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make
Bye, have a great time! Are you alright? Good job!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Bye.
Here I go!
Okay. Go go go. Good job.
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities. Hey!
Bye-bye!
Bye.
Okay! Here we go!
Bye bye.
Okay, let's go! Bye, have a great time!
We're in trouble now. Wow! Congratulations!
Here I go!
Hello, hello, hello. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge. We're in trouble now.
Hey, what happened?
Good morning, good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
Ready to put on a show! Are you alright?
Good job!
Here I go!
Okay.
Whoa! Amazing!
Oh yes.
Hey, hey, hey! Woohoo!
Good job.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Going to kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna
Bye-bye!
Okay.
My God, are you still talking?
Bye.
Huh?
Questions you aren't prepared.
Hey!
Oh, hello.
Oh, wow!
Okay. Boy.
Here we go! Bye, have a great time! Here I go!
Oh, wow!
Hello. We're in trouble now.
you all right?
Handle the answer.
Amazing!
Questions you aren't prepared.
My God, are you still?
Okay. Good job!
Here I go!
Going to kids today. I'm looking for the jump clubby ones. Going to find some chubby kids.
Bye bye.
Are you still talking?
Okay.
Woohoo! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Bye.
We're in trouble now.
Okay. Hey, what happened?
Good job!
Okay, here we go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet.
Bye, have a great time.